Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning into my 2338th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, remember the risk behind this game. This is a very, very risky game. Never, ever trade without stops. Put your stops in first. Know that you can clearly lose more money than you have in your trading accounts if you do not know how to trade this game. Please put your stops in first, okay? Options, futures, you name it. All right, so let me just, two things. First, thank you once again for your patience. I know I've been doing these videos where I'm in front of a small camera, showing you one screen, a couple of charts. I am renovating and building a new OMNI 2.0. And that's for my OMNI campers who come out to my 4-day seminar, which is 4 times a year. So I've been very busy doing that, and I haven't had enough time to go into the studio and record my usual shoots where I'm in front of the camera. But I will not leave you in the dark. I will always tell you what's going on out there. Again, thank you for your patience. Number 2, I'm wearing my jersey. Look, I'm going to the Raiders game soon. That's why I'm not doing one of those crazy videos for you tonight. Hey, Raiders, this bud's for you, huh? Anyway, so let me show you what's going on out there. E-mini S&P now has a green OMNI. It's green. I'm not totally in love with the signal, but it certainly is green, and I certainly would not, sorry about that. I certainly would not shy away from it. Now, what I'm going to show you is, look at this channel that we've been using. And as you can see, we stay in this channel like almost constantly. It's a wide channel, but you can see the movement where it holds each time, right? Hold. It holds again. It holds again. It holds. No, it breaks here. Sorry. Tries to get above, breaks down. Then finally we say, hey, back in the saddle, and it rallies up. Well, here we are, and I'm here to say once again, let's just shift this. Hey, back in the saddle. Maybe we get a little rally up from here, and we've got a green OMNI. Now, I've got a much stronger OMNI in this market. I think we might be able to go after this one instead because we've got just about the same thing going on here. Check this out. In crude, we have a red OMNI, but we are opposite of what I was just showing you. We are out of the channel. Out. Tried to get back, could not. Tried to get back again, could not. And here we are with a red OMNI. So you may find me going after the crude oil. You'll find out. Just come to livewithoscar.com. Join me in my free live trading room. Remember that OMNI Camp is just 3 weeks away, and a seat opened up as of today. Somebody had an emergency and had to cancel. I've got an open seat. Send me your applications to livewithoscar.com. I'll let all of them build up, and then I'll look at them in a few days. Livewithoscar.com if you want to make December 9th OMNI Camp. And then remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you for tuning in. Good luck trading on Monday. The signal for crude is stronger on the downside than the buy signal for S&P. We'll see where we get filled. I will see.